Headlines are nothing new for Tesla. This manufacturer has completely changed the concept of what it means to drive environmentally friendly, and because many of us think that self-driving vehicles will be the norm in the future, the company's next move looks to be the riskiest yet and might surprise Tesla investors. 16.3% was the margin below the average analyst estimate. Is this a problem for Tesla? So yeah, we expected margins to decline. We know that price cuts have. There's been significant price cuts over the past quarter. We even heard Elon say in the last call that they could continue to cut prices because of interest rates, because of how consumers are feeling, and they need the cars to be affordable. But let's talk about the big picture, right? A Model 3 is actually cheaper than the average car in the US. That is, huge electric vehicles are continuing to grow at a rate that's much faster than their gas-powered counterparts. So I think that's the long-term story here. So yes, I would expect it to affect margins in the short term. Long term, our estimate is that Tesla could get margins that are around 50% with electric vehicles and autonomy by 2027. Tesla has just shocked investors with this latest demand strategy, one that could change its story for good in just a short period of time. You see, Tesla is not only known for its innovative and sustainable electric vehicles, but it's also remarkable for its unconventional marketing approach. Unlike most other car companies, Tesla does not spend money on traditional advertising channels like TV, radio, or billboards. Instead, it relies on word-of-mouth referrals, social media, and its charismatic CEO, Elon Musk, to generate buzz and awareness. However, in June 2023, Tesla started running some Google ads for the first time following Musk's statement that the automaker would try advertising. This was a surprising move, especially for a company like Tesla with no previous mention of advertising, and it had actually shunned away from marketing that was paid, and it claimed to have more demand than supply for its products. But the big question still remains then, can Tesla continue to advertise its products? And will the automaker drop prices in place of advertisements? It's difficult to overstate China's significance in the global EV market in 2022. Today's video exposes these possibilities, and we're going to investigate the potential impact they may have on Tesla. Without further ado, let's get started. Tesla's meteoric rise has always been predicated on the promise of growth, but one crucial linchpin to that growth may actually be slipping away here. That linchpin is China. 60% of all EV sales worldwide were made in China, where Tesla is actually losing momentum there rather than increasing its market share. We know that China has a strong interest in controlling the EV market, so they have actively supported competitors like BYD, which has really specialized in producing affordable EVs that are made specifically for the Chinese market. As a result, Tesla's market share in China has been declining, falling from 15% to 10% between 2020 and 2022. I've sort of identified two key reasons why Tesla's really been lagging in China. The first is competition, which is heavily subsidized by the Chinese government. The other thing to take into account is that Tesla has actually had some self-inflicted delays. There's really no other way to put it. Keep in mind that China is a crucial market where the average urban worker makes less than $10,000 annually, meaning that Tesla's price points may not be ideal. As a result, affordability will be a major challenge for Tesla as it expands its presence in China while reacting to its ongoing price reductions. Bull Tesla, since the average person has no idea how easy and inexpensive Tesla has become, Gary Black actually claimed that the company is gradually overplaying the macro card. However, is this the right move for Tesla? Tesla investors seem to believe that relying on price cuts rather than advertising is a mistake. Now, let's go more specific. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tesla. Tomorrow, Tesla will need to increase demand, and advertising may be a very effective way for them to do so. The automaker already enjoys a strong reputation as a leader in the innovation and sustainability sectors, so all it really needs to do is share its vision and values with the public and build a positive association for its brand. Additionally, the EV industry is becoming more competitive, so Tesla needs to advertise to counter any bad press from rivals and tell people about its products rather than relying solely on word of mouth from fans. Will this actually work for Tesla? Let's find out. But first, if you enjoy this kind of information, please click the like button. Audience conveying unique features and benefits that could help it in brand positioning and also reach potential customers more effectively to reach new customers and markets. Second, there are numerous benefits to advertising. The automaker has even famously refused to run a PR department, essentially making it uncountable for press inquiries. Tesla may wish to broaden its clientele and appeal to other market segments, such as younger or more budget conscious consumers. Advertising could assist the carmaker in showcasing its features and products to a larger audience, drawing in new clients who might not be familiar with the brand and its offerings. Tesla's product line includes electric cars, energy products, solar energy storage systems, and much more. Its products frequently represent cutting-edge technology. Advertising can serve as a means of dispelling myths about the benefits of these products, encouraging broader adoption, and showcasing the entire range of offerings, which may result in cross-selling and higher customer retention. As a result, in order to stay competitive, Tesla must set itself apart from its rivals, which calls for advertising. However, some may wonder why the company is still slashing prices, and we think this is all part of their strategy. Musk has actually stated that, even though there are benefits to advertising, Tesla won't benefit if its cars continue to be out of reach for the average person. Musk has stated that, although it's wonderful to educate people about automobiles, it doesn't really help if they can't afford them. This implies that, without a doubt, the main effort lies in lowering the cost of Tesla cars for the typical person. Although Tesla's advertising plan is a risky and intriguing one that might yield big returns for the business, Tesla will need to exercise caution to maintain its distinctive character and appeal as a disruptive and innovative brand that sets itself apart from the competition. With a range of luxurious vehicles that was largely unmatched by other automakers, word of mouth and the company's shining image were enough to sell cars in bulk with almost no marketing effort. But now that sales are flattening, it might be a good idea for the automaker to run some advertisements. Cuts haven't ignited Tesla sales in the ways that executives may have hoped, while other automakers are starting to shift at EVs in real numbers. Although the car company continues to lead the US luxury car market, it is still facing fierce competition given the massive entry of new EVs into the market. It's not surprising that Tesla is feeling the heat because its models are starting to become obsolete, and now that it has real competition, it appears that Tesla will have to start fighting it out for market share. Last year, Tesla vehicles were in high demand, but amid macroeconomic changes in the production of electric vehicles, as well as stronger numbers showing for competition, the company may finally begin to reap the benefits of advertising. What do you think Tesla should do to increase demand in lieu of price reductions? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to share your estimate of Tesla's worth. If you'd like to find out more about what Tesla has been up to lately, click the next video to see it on your screen.